guys, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and check out what I got behind me. Forgive me if I'm a little squinty. It just got sunny right as I came out to film. Would you imagine that? All right, guys, here is a 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 with that 6.2 liter. This rough country kit is a 4-inch kit, but here's the catch with it. So the AT4 is lifted 2 inches from a normal base model Sierra. So they go up 2 inches in the front and the back. So they keep the factory rake, but this kit will come with basically a 6-inch, so an extended strut out front. And we went with the Vertex kit on this one. So 6-inch strut, so it brings it up 4 inches from the normal AT4, and then out back it'll bring it up an additional 2 inches from the AT4. So this kit actually fits more like a 6-inch lift. So that's how we're able to get the 35-inch tires underneath a 4-inch kit. Again, these are the Klever RTs. We are big fans of those. Great tier 2 tire that you don't break the bank with. Take a look at those. And then we went with the XF Offroads. These are great concave with a little bit of milling in the face. Fairly deep concave for a 20 by 10. Now we did have to add a 1/2-inch spacer on these, as the wheel did contact the control arm just a little bit. So we added that little bit of space in there. You can see how great that looks. Parked it on dirt for the photo op. I love the interior on these things. This thing comes with the technology package, so the heads-up display, the crazy mirror thing that we showed you in the other Sierra 2500. Seats right there. Nice and roomy in here. Again, we're really big fans of these Vertexes. You got this little dial up here that you can actually change, and it does require a little bit of force, so you're not going to be changing driving modes by accident. So yeah, and it's not just a gimmick, it'll actually change up the ride characteristics of the vehicle. Alright guys, that's it for me, Brian, SoCo Customs. Thumbs up, give this video a share, show them that you can lift these AT4s.